In an age of increasing environmental awareness, consumers are actively seeking sustainable alternatives in every aspect of their lives. This is especially true in the realm of cleaning products, where traditional options often contain harsh chemicals. These chemicals raise concerns about their impact on both human health and the planet. As a result, the demand for eco-friendly cleaning products has skyrocketed. More and more people are turning to these products with the hope of reducing their ecological footprint. Navigating the world of eco-friendly cleaning products can feel like entering a labyrinth of claims and counterclaims. The abundance of terms like green, natural, and biodegradable can be confusing, making it challenging to separate genuine eco-champions from marketing ploys. This lack of clarity often leads to skepticism among consumers. The first step in understanding eco-friendly cleaning products is to decipher the language used to market them. Terms like green, natural, and biodegradable have distinct meanings. Understanding these differences is crucial for informed choices. Green products have a reduced environmental impact. This includes ingredients, packaging, and biodegradability. Natural products use ingredients from plants or minerals. Not all natural ingredients are safe or sustainable. The rise in demand for eco-friendly products has unfortunately led to an increase in greenwashing, a deceptive marketing practice where companies exaggerate or fabricate their environmental credentials. This can mislead consumers into believing they are making sustainable choices when, in reality, the products may not be as environmentally friendly as they seem. Walking down the cleaning aisle can be overwhelming, even for the most eco-conscious consumer. With so many products claiming to be environmentally friendly, it's essential to have a strategy for navigating the options and making informed choices. Start by defining your priorities. Are you most concerned about reducing plastic waste? Look for products with concentrated formulas or those packaged in reusable or recyclable containers. Is minimizing your exposure to harsh chemicals a top priority? Focus on products with plant-based ingredients and avoid those containing synthetic fragrances, dyes, or preservatives. One of the most persistent misconceptions about eco-friendly cleaning products is that they lack the cleaning power of their conventional counterparts. This skepticism often stems from the belief that harsh chemicals are necessary to effectively tackle dirt, grime, and germs. However, this is simply not true. Another prevalent misconception surrounding eco-friendly cleaning products is their perceived high cost. Consumers often assume that choosing environmentally friendly options will inevitably strain their wallets. While it's true that some eco-friendly products may have a higher upfront cost, this perception doesn't always reflect the complete picture. The term eco-friendly is often mistakenly equated with chemical-free. This misconception leads some to believe that eco-friendly cleaning products are entirely devoid of any chemicals. However, it's essential to understand that everything, including water and air, is made up of chemicals. The key distinction lies in the type and source of the chemicals used. The surge in popularity of eco-friendly cleaning products signifies a collective shift towards environmentally responsible choices. These products are formulated with the planet in mind, aiming to minimize their impact on ecosystems. One significant advantage is their biodegradability. Unlike conventional cleaners, eco-friendly options break down naturally. This reduces pollution in waterways and soil, protecting aquatic life. While eco-friendly cleaning products offer a multitude of environmental benefits, it's essential to acknowledge that some potential drawbacks require careful consideration. Adopting a nuanced perspective allows for a comprehensive assessment of their overall sustainability. Section 3. The bigger picture: sustainable cleaning beyond products. While transitioning to eco-friendly cleaning products is a significant step towards sustainable cleaning practices, it's crucial to recognize that true sustainability extends beyond product choices. Embracing a holistic approach that encompasses various aspects of cleaning routines can amplify the positive environmental impact. Reducing water consumption is paramount. Simple practices like using a bucket instead of running the tap continuously or opting for water-efficient cleaning tools can significantly conserve this precious resource. Additionally, minimizing the use of single-use cleaning cloths and paper towels by switching to reusable microfiber cloths or rags further reduces waste generation. Section 1. Eco-friendly versus traditional. A cleaning power showdown. For years, the cleaning aisle has been dominated by conventional products, boasting powerful formulas that promise to obliterate dirt and grime. This dominance has led to a common misconception that eco-friendly cleaners, with their emphasis on plant-derived and biodegradable ingredients, simply cannot compete in terms of cleaning power. However, this assumption is being challenged as eco-friendly cleaning technology rapidly evolves. Section 2. Dispelling the gentle but weak myth. The perception of eco-friendly cleaners as gentle but weak stems from a misunderstanding of how these products work. Conventional cleaners often rely on harsh chemicals, strong odors, and aggressive scrubbing to create the illusion of effectiveness. However, this approach can be unnecessarily harsh on surfaces and potentially harmful to human health and the environment. Eco-friendly cleaners, on the other hand, take a more sophisticated approach. Section 3. Choosing the right tool for the job. A targeted approach. While eco-friendly cleaning products have come a long way in terms of effectiveness, it's important to acknowledge that certain cleaning tasks may require a more targeted approach. Just as you wouldn't use a hammer to tighten a screw, selecting the right cleaning product for the specific job is crucial for achieving optimal results. For everyday cleaning tasks like wiping down countertops, cleaning floors, and removing light stains, all-purpose eco-friendly cleaners are often sufficient. Breathing easy. Indoor air quality and eco-friendly cleaning. Indoor air can be more polluted than outdoor air, with dust mites, pet dander, and mold spores. Conventional cleaning products can worsen indoor air pollution, causing respiratory issues. Eco-friendly products offer a breath of fresh air. They emit fewer VOCs, reducing respiratory irritation. Avoid synthetic fragrances for a healthier home. Section 2. Gentle on families. Protecting children and pets. Children and pets are particularly vulnerable to the harmful effects of harsh chemicals found in conventional cleaning products. Their developing bodies and immune systems are more susceptible to the toxic effects of these chemicals, which can be absorbed through the skin, inhaled, or ingested. Eco-friendly cleaning products provide a safer alternative for families with young children and furry companions. By avoiding products containing harsh chemicals, artificial fragrances, and potential allergens, parents and pet owners can create a healthier and safer home environment for their loved ones. Creating a safe and healthy home environment for families involves more than just switching to eco-friendly cleaning products. It's about adopting a holistic approach that encompasses responsible cleaning practices and a commitment to minimizing potential hazards. One essential tip is to always store cleaning products, even eco-friendly ones, out of reach of children and pets. Decoding the labels, a guide to eco-friendly certifications. Navigating the world of eco-friendly cleaning products can feel like deciphering a secret code. With a multitude of labels and certifications vying for attention, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. However, understanding these certifications is crucial for making informed choices that align with our values. They serve as a compass, guiding us towards products that genuinely prioritize human health and environmental sustainability. Eco-friendly certifications are essentially seals of approval awarded to products that meet specific environmental and health standards. Seeking credibility. Reputable certifications to look for. With numerous eco-friendly certifications circulating in the marketplace, it's essential to be able to identify those that carry the most weight and reflect a genuine commitment to sustainability. Several reputable organizations have earned the trust of consumers and industry experts alike for their rigorous standards and transparent evaluation processes. The Environmental Protection Agency's EPA Safer Choice label is a widely recognized and respected certification in the United States. Products bearing this label have undergone rigorous testing and meet strict standards for human health and environmental safety. One of the most common concerns about switching to eco-friendly cleaning products is the perceived higher cost. Consumers, accustomed to the often budget-friendly prices of conventional cleaners, might hesitate when comparing price tags. While it's true that some eco-friendly options might appear more expensive upfront, a closer look reveals a more nuanced picture. It's crucial to consider the long-term value and potential cost savings that these products offer. Section 2. Expanding access, making eco-friendly cleaning available to all. While the availability of eco-friendly cleaning products has significantly increased in recent years, there are still barriers to access for some communities. Lower-income households and those living in areas with limited access to retail options might face challenges in finding and affording these products. It is essential to address these disparities and ensure that everyone has the opportunity to create a healthier and more sustainable home environment. Effective DIY cleaning solutions. For centuries, people have maintained clean homes using simple, natural ingredients. Today, these age-old wisdoms are experiencing a resurgence in popularity. Vinegar is a natural powerhouse for cleaning. Mix equal parts water and vinegar for an all-purpose cleaner. Section 2. Embracing simplicity. Recipes for a naturally clean home. Creating your own eco-friendly cleaning solutions at home is not only empowering, but also incredibly simple. With just a handful of natural ingredients and a bit of creativity, you can replace a multitude of store-bought cleaners, reducing your environmental impact and creating a healthier home environment. All-purpose cleaner. Combine equal parts water and white vinegar in a spray bottle. Embracing a sustainable cleaning journey. We've debunked myths, uncovered truths, and discovered the power of nature to create a clean and healthy home. The shift towards eco-conscious cleaning is a commitment to safeguarding our well-being and the health of our planet. Understanding eco-friendly certifications and the effectiveness of plant-based agents empowers us to make informed choices. Embracing a sustainable cleaning routine doesn't require sacrificing effectiveness or breaking the bank. It's about making conscious decisions and embracing simple, natural solutions. Every cleaning choice we make has an impact. By choosing eco-friendly products and supporting sustainable brands, we contribute to a healthier future. Let us embrace the journey towards a naturally clean and healthy home, one decision at a time.